Now children, I'll explain you how to make human face 3/4 profile. Again for this, we take a circle as I have done it before. Divide the circle from the center, giving a center mirror line. Divide it from this, doing it half and making a brow line. Divide this area into 3 equal parts. Same on the right hand side, divide it into 3 equal parts. Joining this line to this point and coming till the edge, form an oval, and on the other side also make an oval. Divide this area into 3 halves and divide this area into 3 parts. This is the headline and this is the nose line. Extend this line till the edge and measuring the brow line and nose line, make another point down here and join with this line. Make another oval here from this line, touching this center line, coming down this part and touching the outer circle. So what we have done children, we have made a circle, an oval in between. I told you, I have shown you the measurements, and an oval here. Now let's first make the ear. From this, since it is a 3/4 profile, the ear will come here. From this, touching this outer oval line, we make it as an ear. Let's make the inner of the ear by showing it in a bean shape, and one more line on top here. This is the ear part. From the center of these two dots, make the jawline, come till the edge and till the edge of the circle and come on this line which we had taken it as a chin line. Divide this chin from the inner line to the outer line into 3 parts, and let's give a jawline joining from this line to this point. Now let's make the brows, as this is a brow line. I have made a brow here, thicken the brow as it's a male profile, and this brow will come on the line joining this oval line. for the nose. We come till this outer line, take a cut or a curve here, go on the straight line and make a nostril. Here we give the bend of the nostril. Again now divide this area into 3 equal parts. This part divide into half, and this is your eye, which will be in the shape of you can see the shape. The lower edge is touching this line and we have an eyeball more towards the left hand side. Same here, the eyeball touching the left hand side. On the same edge we make the eye on the same level. Now, as I had told you earlier, that your lip length is from half the eye, but in this case we take the center and put a line here, extend the line here, but this line will come, left side of the lip will come with alignment of the nose. We divide this area into 3 equal parts and we come under the nose, nostril, nose, to make the center of the lip. We give a small bend here, go little up and come till the edge of the lip, but on the left hand side we just give a slant here which won't show the edge of the lip. A double line it and show another line and join with this line. Now this line which I had made it is a small little curve here to show the dimple of the chin. Now let's now make the curve on the left hand side, which is known as a face curve. Now when you come from the forehead, the upper part of the forehead, from this point we go little inside on the forehead. Children, please see it carefully. The inside of the forehead, come little out on the eyebrow and go in near the eye and again come out near the cheek, under the eyes, near the cheek. Now go a little more inside towards the nose and little protruding from the lips, we touch it to the chin and join with the jawline. I think you've understood till here. Now let's make the hair. Now the forehead line, we make a cut here. Take the line towards the line, towards the outer of the oval, and along with the oval, in the brow line, we make the sideburn, giving a pant shape, and come above the ear and touch the ear. I repeat here, from this center line which falls on the nose towards this oval and come towards the ear. Now let's make the volume in the hair. Go above the outer line of the circle, go little above, come down and touching the outer circle, don't go at the back of the ear, come and finish your line near the ear. Now you have to make a neck. From below the ear, make a neck towards back, and the front of the neck from the chin go down and make the neck. Hope it's clear with you. Children, do practice it again so that you get a better profile, and all the 3 profiles I've done with you. Hope you have understood it clearly.